Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. In this video we are going to learn about some of the questions which were asked in KPPMS English Precis and Composition, which was held today. Okay, the only short questions will be covered in this video. The first question was, I have here put the question number 5. Here we have the first question number 5a part. The first, it has asked some of one of the one word substitutions. Here it was written, the subject was shaped like an 8-sided figure. So 8-sided figure is called octagon. 8-sided figure is called to octagon. Second question was some of the question here like one on the arrival of the president, the town was decorated with lights. So decorated with lights can be replaced with one word, that is illuminated. And the third one word substitution was asked, could not be heard. So one word for could not be heard is inaudible. And the fourth was asked, not in accordance with. So one word for not in accordance with is untrue or unauthentic. And the fifth one which was asked, fit to be eaten. Okay, it's one word substitution is edible. Edible means that thing which can be eaten. This is, and if we go back to the question, here we yes, this is, if we look at the question here, question part B. It was asked to rearrange the word order. And most of the adverbs of like adverbs of time and adverbs of manner were misplaced in somewhere in the sentences. We have the first sentence, it was asked, he turned quickly the pages of the book. Now quickly is an adverb, it was placed incorrectly. It is an adverb of manner. So adverb of manner, most of the time it comes at the end of the sentence. So the correct sequence or correct order of the sentence would be, he turned the pages of the book quickly. Okay, only quickly be placed at the end of the sentence. Second sentence was, he gave the other day a book to me. So here the only thing which is misplaced, the other day. So the correct sequence of the sentence will be, he gave a book to me the other day. Now the other day is an adverb of time which be placed at the end of the sentence. Third sentence was, the man opened slowly the door. Okay, there is only the case of adverb of manner, slowly. It is used in the mid of the sentence, it must be placed at the end of the sentence. So the sentence will be like that, the man opened the door slowly. And the last sentence, second last sentence is, are you this evening going to visit him? And here again adverb of time, this evening, is misplaced in the mid of the sentence. So the correct sequence of the sentence will be, are you going to visit him this evening? Now this evening placed at the end of the sentence. The last sentence was, she finished very quickly her work. Very quickly is an adverb of time, and very quickly is used as the intensifier in adverb. So it must be placed at the end of the sentence. She finished her work very quickly. Okay, these are the two questions which were asked in the PMS today's paper, in a paper of English Precis and Composition. Thank you very much. Keep visiting my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Stay blessed.